this is Rusty and it was pretty bored today, so I just came to the R city. घर बैठे बैठे बहुत बोर हो गया था and there was nothing to do, so I called a friend and she wanted to buy something, so I was like, okay, fine, I'll join you. And we're feeling hungry right now, so having this thing and sitting in the McD, and I'm right now in the R city and my order has been changed.
Chicken is handled.
Changed?
No.
What?
Chicken था.
Huh? Ask her. She misplaced it. She misplaced it. I was just gonna eat chicken.
Italian, cheesy Italian.
Chicken easy Italian.
Cheesy.
होतं कधी कधी होतं. तुझ्यासोबत पण होईल कधी ते. Okay, so I have done with the eating work. अभी बहुत कुछ खा लिया मैंने. I am literally full. So now the tedious thing starts, which is shopping with a girl. It's a very tedious thing that to shop with a girl, and भले वो एक चीज़ हो या दो चीज़ हो, करना तो ट्रुथ है भाई. Sorry about my voice, I don't know whether I'm audible to you, but so this is the first shop. This is Max, and I hope she may take something good from here. If not, there many options are there available, like here meanings are available are there. Okay, fine, so I have came in Max. They have not allowed my camera, but I'm using my phone camera. Okay, so we are out of the Max and we are in the Hill Boots now. Now the thing is, like, this is 50% off. I hope she likes something here, and she's seeing, and I won't go inside the what do we say, the shop. Let's see if she takes or not. Okay, she's a shy girl to come in front of cams, so I'm just roaming out here and just checking out. Okay, so we have came from Hill Boots, and that was the second shop she didn't shop. And now the plan is to go to Bata or West Side. So let's see. No more Bata. Okay, so now here comes our third shop, which is West Side, and it is on the ground floor. And let's see what happens. Whether she likes the shop or not. Well, I hope that it will gather. So this is the third thing. Okay. So let's move to the shop. Okay, so shopper stop. Okay, fine. We'll move to the shopper, and बाद में we'll go to West Side. When she is confirmed कि shopper stop में कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला, so then too she is gonna go over there. Right? Okay, so I am out from the shopper stop also, and we are moving to the west side. So this is the fourth shop. Okay, so we have Kate out from the fourth shop also, and she is pissed off now. And we have the thing is like, and the thing is like, she don't want to go another shops now. Okay, so you're going? Okay, fine. So she's trying to go in Mochi right now, but first we'll eat donut. And first we'll eat donut. So donut, yes, bro. Okay, so this is the fifth shop we are entering. This is Mochi, and we have 50% off over here. So I just hope she takes a new sandal for her, something she wants, and which is she's saying. And I'm not going in because the cameras aren't allowed. So I'm shooting with my Nexus 5X, and I'm damn bored to take my camera outside. So I hope she will like something. I'll soon see you. Okay. So I'll soon see you on the bike because I'm damn bored eating that donut, and right now, bye. I'll see you on bike, guys.
So there was lots of traffic police over there. I don't know why. Must be some checking over today. So okay fine. So right now we checked 5 में उसके बाद में मूची और उसके बाद में बहुत कुछ चेक हुआ HM and all things, but I was bored to take out my camera and to vlog because every time I have to take my camera, then lens, then attach the mic and all. These all things I did 5 times, and so I was little bored to shoot afterwards, so I directly met on this bike. So right now I'm heading home. It was a wonderful day for me. Yeah, I was pretty bored, so I went to the R City with my friend to shop, but unfortunately she was not finding a good things to shop, so it's okay, we'll try some next and another place, but it's really tedious thing to shop with a girl. So right now I am in Gandhinagar. I have crossed Gandhinagar and I am on the Jogeshwari link road, and I'm way to my home, and I'll reach the home in 5-10 minutes. So this is all for the day, and if you are new to my channel, just subscribe it. If you like my videos, like it as well as subscribe it. And as I say always, like at least wear a helmet while riding. It is safe for you, okay? Because someone is waiting for you at your place. You don't care for your life, but someone another care